and it is 39 degrees. Brr. Yeah, it's kind of cold. And it is, I think the high today is in the 50s. Like 53 or something like that. So, yep, fall is here. Even with my my bomber jacket underneath my riding jacket, I can still feel it. And of course, you know, I'm wearing chaps still. Ooh, that's bright. So my crotch is getting kind of cold, but oh well. I've got my riding pants, which I'll put on when it gets a little bit cooler, but for a 15-minute commute, it's not that bad. Now, if I was still had my 30-minute commute, then yes, I would definitely be wearing the pants. I would be all bundled up, but I can deal for 15 minutes. What you waiting for? But it's gonna be an interesting weekend. We're going camping. And the low, well, this is gonna be the low. One night, 39 degrees. The next night's gonna be 41. But in a tent. So that's definitely gonna be interesting. Not sure how that's going to work, how we're going to stay warm. Just bringing lots of blankets. And we've got an air mattress, which air mattresses do get cold underneath. Remember one time I was using an air mattress and it was cold outside. I had tons of blankets on top, but I still got frozen because of the air mattress. The air inside the air mattress got cold, and so that made my back cold. So then the next night, I took one blanket and put it under me, and that made all the difference. So I think that's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to, you know, take a pad and put it on top of the air mattress so that we've got, you know, space between us and the cold. Other than that, just blankets and cuddling. But it's gonna be fun. Gonna go to Tennessee's homecoming, gonna march again. It's been many years since I marched. Looking forward to it. Very excited. Very excited. But I'll definitely keep y'all updated. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna record it. Try to get my GoPro on the tuba somehow and record the march to the stadium. And sniffles now, it's cold. Record halftime show. The problem is I only have one battery and it only lasts for about 45 minutes. So hopefully there's enough battery life. Well, I've got another one, but it only lasts, it doesn't even last that long. That was fun. Oh, school zone. My visor keeps fogging up and the sun's in my eyes. Stay there. Just remember, please, be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy signing out. God be with you till we meet again.